So this is how I analyze the Facebook ads metrics for a real estate lead gen website to find out what did we do right or wrong and the optimization opportunities.
So you see, your cost per result is looking very good, and your CPM is also doing very good. However, one thing that is potentially causing you some so-called some bleed in your budget is you have actually rather high frequency. You see, so let's say this is a broad advertising. If you want to scale, one of a very important thing if you want to scale your campaign is you want to make sure that you're constantly reaching fresh audiences.
That's correct.
Because if you want to scale your campaign, if you are actually what do we call repeating to show your advertisement to the same audience, it would actually push your CPM up. It will actually affect the overall thing. So I think the first thing we need to really look into is we want to exclude people. Now, where do we exclude? You see, the moment we push it slightly further on the link click, right? If you look at the number of link clicks versus the number of unique clicks. So you see, that shows what? That shows actually about 3,000 over people actually click more than once.
No, where do you, link clicks and...
Link clicks versus the unique link.
Okay, yeah.
So you actually got 3,000 over people actually click more than one. If you look at the cost per click over here, you are wasting some budget over there as well.